Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we will going to learn how you can delete your all viruses from your laptop or PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we have to come over the start options, or you can click or press Windows plus R, and this is how you can open a run program over here. And here you have to type first clean mgr and okay in C drive, and they are calculating how many files or how many cache we need to delete. So I will tell you 5 steps to delete your all virus in your laptop. So you just need to be patient and try to follow the guidance that I'm providing you here. So now click OK, delete files, and this is how you can download. I mean, you can delete all of your C drive unnecessary files over here. So now we have to click another time Windows press R, and now we have to write temp, you see, and click OK. And by this here you can see there are a lot of temp file. Just select all and click shift delete, and by this they will be permanently deleted. Continue. And this is how you deleted all the temp file, and now you have to press another time Windows plus R, and now you just have to some give some percentage like this. Here is the temp, and now you have to click OK, and by this you have to delete all the file over here. Click shift plus delete. OK. Some of those files will be not deleted. It's okay, it's not a big deal. You just have to follow the way I'm guiding you, and I'm sure file, your all virus will be deleted from your Windows or your laptop or PC, whatever you have. So now what we need to do, we need to go to our Google Chrome browser, and here we have to search for malware bytes download. Here you can see, and now we have to click the first options and download this antivirus by clicking on this. After clicking that, you need to install. I already installed malware bytes in my desktop. Now you have to, if you completed your download, then come over here and then click on this, and by this get started. Maybe later start trial. Okay, no problem, got it. Get started. So now we need to scan. Just click over here, and here you can see they're scanning your laptop over here. So it will take 5 or 3, maybe 5 minutes, I don't know, but whatever time it's need, just keep patience and do the following guidelines over here. For making it progress, I will first start the video right now. So here you can see the detected 8 items over here, and the scan time is 6 minutes 15 seconds, and they scanned for 2,29,955. So now what we have to do, we need to just quarantine them, and done. So this is how you can delete your all virus from your laptop or PC. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.